All the loans I've evaluated that are the subprime loans, very few of them should have been subprime. Majority of them should have been in an FHA loan. And it's sad that money is such a motivator and greed, because for some of those subprime loans, lenders were making six points on every loan, which on a $100,000 loan, that's $6,000. In the state of Missouri, if you have $25,000, you can open up a mortgage shop, which is disgusting to me. I mean, the plumber can stop being a plumber if he has 25 grand, go to the state of Missouri and get a mortgage license to do business. Now, if you want to be an FHA approved lender, you have to have at least $65,000. But a lot of people they didn't know the difference. So they would go to a broker, somebody they knew, they'd say, I need this. They'd say, oh, you have some bad credit. If one or two things on their credit showed negative, they'd talk these people into going to a subprime loan because they didn't offer FHA. They didn't want to give up that loan. So they instead put them in these bad loans with high fees and high points, ate a lot of equity out of these people's homes that were refinancing. And it's unfortunate because people don't know they should look for companies that are FHA approved, because you go through an audit every single year. It's a federal audit. You're scrutinized inside and out. They go through your books. They go through all your files. They make sure you're not predatory towards the people that you're serving. But the brokers who only did conventional loans were not under those guidelines. They didn't get scrutinized. Nobody came around and looked at their files. Nobody came and said, what are you doing? This person should have been in an FHA loan, not a conventional, or not a subprime. And nobody was watching those people. And so if you're not watching, sometimes things like that happen. Only go to lenders who offer FHA, VA, the farm home loan, the rural home loan. They have to go through strict policies. They have to have enough resources behind them if anything goes wrong.